Welcome to our next Wandering Walk tour. This time we're headed to Joliet, Illinois. Joliet is the county seat of Will County, and it's in northwestern Illinois. It's about 40 miles southwest of downtown Chicago. Joliet was settled in 1833 and was initially named Juliet by James B. Campbell, a settler from Ottawa, and an official with the Board of Canal Commissioners, and he named the town in honor of his daughter. It was renamed in 1845 for Louis Joliet, the French-Canadian explorer who visited the site around here in 1673. Joliet is best known as one of the major cities or areas along historic Route 66. Here at the Joliet Area Historical Museum, they have a really cool Route 66 museum. I have a video on that if you want to take a look. Just look at the Joliet Historical Museum and you'll see what's inside. Joliet was once known as Stone City for its limestone, which was used throughout the Midwest. For example, the limestone in this area was used in the Illinois State House and in the Lincoln Monument in Springfield. The opening of the Illinois and Michigan Canal in 1848 and the arrival of the Rock Island Railroad in 1852, as well as the completion of the Chicago Sanitary and Ship Canal in 1900, contributed to the city's expansion as an industrial and agricultural center, and it provided an outlet for farm products, manufacturing, most notably steel and wire and coal. But by the 1980s, the decline of industry had greatly affected the city. Joliet's economy today is based more on tourism, especially Route 66 historical tourism, as well as casino gambling on the river. Nearby, there's also many state parks and also the Michigan Canal National Heritage Corridor. We're passing by the historic Joliet Library, and here we see a statue of Louis Joliet, who was a French-Canadian explorer, and who the town's named after. To our left is the historic Rialto Theatre. The Rialto Square Theatre opened in 1926. It was originally designed and operated as a vaudeville movie theater palace, but it now houses mainly musicals, plays, concerts, and stand-up comedy. C.W. and George Rapp designed the Rialto Square Theatre in 1924, and the theater opened May 24, 1926, featuring a production called The Evolution of Joliet. The first talking picture at the Rialto was shown on October 9, 1928. It was a movie called The Lights of New York. The theater's original purpose was to exhibit silent films, which typically required musical accompaniment and sound effects. A 4-manual 28-ring Barton Theater organ was included in the building's design, with the pipework installed into 2 chambers that flanked the stage. This theater is considered to be one of the 150 great places in Illinois to see. This large 8-story building is the Louis Joliet Hotel. It's a historic 8-story building in downtown Joliet. It was constructed in 1927 and initially functioned as a hotel. The Louis Joliet was one of many hotels to set up in downtown Joliet in response to increased automobile usage. At 8 stories, this Joliet Hotel was among the largest buildings in downtown Joliet upon its completion in 1927. The 225-room building cost about $750,000 to build. Over 135,000 was also included in the expansive and expensive furniture that was inside. The first floor of the hotel once featured stores selling coffee, cigars, and newspapers, as well as a barbershop and reading room. Today, the building has been converted into an apartment complex. Thanks for watching this latest episode of Wandering Walks of Wonder. We've been in downtown Joliet. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Also, make sure to check out the Route 66 museum video that also is in Joliet. Hope you have a great day. Thanks, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.